Hello guys, uh, this is Muhammad Asad. Today I am gonna show you how to check your internet speed, the quality of your internet. So please subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. If you like this video, so please subscribe for more updates. So let's get started. Type simply speed test dot net, enter. Then there was loading, and now you see the web page, which is the product of Okla. You can easily find the mobile app, Android application named by Okla. There was loading, and now there it started. So to check your internet speed, check it out, your internet is connected, and click over here, begin test. Oh, I think it is not working. Yes, it is working. It is working. So there was a loading of ping. I don't know what is the ping. Loading. Yeah, I got 302 ms ping speed, and my downloading speed is growing up to 1 MB. And I subscribed this internet for monthly as a 1 MB speed, so there was showing only 1 MB downloading speed must. And here you see the whole graphics. The great 3D window. It looks like some type of laptop, I think. 3D laptop. Oh, it's gonna be less than 1 MB. My internet speed is learning quite slower. Oh my god. So finally it is completed and catch 90 Mbps, means 0.90 Mbps, less than 1 MB. Now they are checking upload speed. Yes, connecting, and upload speed. If you get trouble in this, I think it is not working correctly, so please go over here and try speed test beta. It's a normal software which goes for very simply and easy for a user to get info faster and faster. there's loading, and you see like this speed test beta, and click over go, and now you see wait for a while. What's going on? I think it's not working. Try it on another search engine like I am trying this in Google Chrome. I think the UC browser not supported that, so simply type speedtest.net, enter. Okay, there check it out. This the version of speed that requires Adobe Flash. Fortunately we are ready to share our okay, it's automatically on, and oh my god, see here you download your mobile app speed that desktop. Okay, it's ready. Now click on go. Okay, connecting. Okay, it is connected, and I got 411 ms of ping, and okay, now check out the speed of downloading. It's quite lower than before. Okay, I got 66 Mbps, means that 0.66 Mbps, and it's quite faster. The upload speed is more than 1 MB. Okay, and the highly catch of 1.54 Mbps. So thanks for again. If you if you watch again, you have to watch again. If you so click over here again, and you can check it out again, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Keep watching my another videos. If you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, I'm not forcing you to like my videos, to subscribe my channel as you wish. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. If you like my this video, so please like on this, share, and thanks for watching. See you next time with a new creative what can I say, creative video, technical video about softwares, about mobile, Android apps. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.